Boost your English.
From English Podcast with John.
Hey, friends. How are you feeling today? We're so happy to have you here at English Podcast with John. Today, we're going to talk about how to talk about food you like in English. We'll guide you step by step so you can start using English confidently in your daily life.
Hello.
Hi there. How you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. How are you feeling today?
Fantastic. I am so ready for this.
Me too.
I'm excited for today's topic. How about you?
Oh, definitely. I mean, talking about food is one of my favorite things to do.
Mine too. It's universal, right? Everyone loves food.
Exactly. I can't wait to get started.
Awesome. And before we jump in, just a quick friendly reminder.
Yes.
If you find our chat today helpful, and we really hope you do, please take a moment to subscribe.
And maybe share it with a friend who is also learning. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, let's get into it. How to talk about food you like.
Where should we begin?
Well, I think the best place to start is right at the beginning of the conversation.
Makes sense.
How to ask someone about the food they like.
The first question?
Exactly. So the simplest, most common question you can ask is this. What kind of food do you like?
Perfect. Classic question.
Let's really focus on that phrase, kind of food. It's very natural.
It is. It just means what type of food.
Right. So let's have everyone listening practice with us. We'll say it slowly, and you can repeat it. Ready?
Let's do it.
What kind of food do you like?
Take a moment. Say it out loud.
Let's do it one more time. What kind of food do you like?
Great job. And
Yeah.
now you need an answer, right?
Of course. So how would you answer that? A simple, natural way.
I would say something like, I like Mexican food very much.
Nice and clear. I like Mexican food very much.
Or I like Italian food. Simple is perfect.
Absolutely. Okay, so that's pattern one. Now, there's another really useful way to ask a question, especially about a specific food or place.
Ooh, okay.
We use the phrase, have you tried? This is for asking about a past experience.
Right. Like in your life up until now, has this experience happened?
Exactly. For example, I could ask you, have you tried that new bakery near the school?
And I could answer, no, I haven't yet. Is the bread good?
See? It starts a great little conversation.
It really does. It's more specific than just asking what kind of food someone likes.
For sure. So let's practice this one too.
Yeah.
We'll use a common example. Everyone, please repeat after us.
Ready.
Have you tried sushi?
Your turn.
Let's go again. Have you tried sushi?
Fantastic. So now we know how to ask the questions.
Yep. So the next logical step is how to answer, how to express what we like.
And there are so many ways to do it.
So many. Let's start with a moderate or normal level of liking something.
Just a simple positive feeling.
Right. The two most common words are like and enjoy.
Okay, like and enjoy.
So you can say, I like pizza. Very simple. You like the thing.
But enjoy is often used with an activity, with an ing verb.
Exactly. So you could say, I enjoy cooking. Or, to use a food example, I enjoy eating spicy food on the weekend.
Ah, okay. So I like spicy food is about the food itself. And I enjoy eating spicy food is more about the experience, the activity of eating it.
You've got it. It's a small difference, but it makes your English sound much more natural.
That's a great tip.
Okay, so that's moderate liking. What if you feel more strongly? What if it's, a really enthusiastic feeling?
Then you need stronger words.
For sure. The most obvious one is love. I love pizza.
It just has more energy than I like pizza.
It really does. And another fantastic phrase is, it's my favorite.
Oh, yes. Favorite.
Favorite just means the one you like more than all the others. The number one.
Your top choice.
Exactly. So, for example, you could say, chocolate is my favorite dessert.
I agree with that sentence.
Me too. Let's have everyone practice that one. It's so useful. Ready? Repeat after me.
Here we go.
Chocolate is my favorite dessert.
One more time.
Chocolate is my favorite dessert.
Very nice.
And we could use love with an activity too, just like enjoy.
Right.
Let's practice this one. I love making breakfast on Sundays.
A great example. Your turn.
One more time for practice. I love making breakfast on Sundays.
Perfect. It shows real passion for it.
It does. Now, I have one more for this strong liking category. It's a little more idiomatic.
Ooh, I like idiomatic phrases. They help you sound more like a native speaker.
They really do. The expression is, I'm a big fan of, and then the food.
I'm a big fan of.
It just means you really, really like it. You're enthusiastic about it.
So instead of I love pasta, I could say I'm a big fan of pasta.
Exactly. And you can even add a reason why. Could you give us an example of that?
Of course, I could say I am a big fan of pasta dishes because they are usually very comforting.
That is a perfect sentence. It gives so much more information,
It does. It tells you what I like and also why I like it,
which is actually the perfect transition to our next point.
explaining why.
Yes. Using adjectives to describe the taste and quality of the food, it makes your conversation so much richer.
It's the difference between saying I like this cake and explaining what makes it good.
Exactly. And the structure is super simple. You can say, the food is very adjective.
Or I like it because it is adjective.
Let's start with the two most common positive adjectives, delicious and tasty.
Delicious and tasty.
They both just mean it has a very, very good taste. You can use them for almost anything.
They're very flexible words.
Super flexible, for example. This cake is so delicious, I want more.
A sentence I have said many times.
Same here. Or you could say, the soup is really tasty.
Simple and effective.
Okay, next adjective.
Fresh.
Ah, fresh. This one is important.
It is. We use fresh to talk about food that is new or natural, not old, or from a can.
Right, like fruits, vegetables, salad, fresh bread from the bakery.
Yes, exactly. Could you give us an example sentence with fresh?
Sure. I only buy vegetables when they look very fresh.
A great example. You want that good quality.
Always.
Okay, for our last set of adjectives, let's talk about three main taste types.
Okay, the big categories.
Right. Spicy, sweet, and savory.
Spicy, sweet, and savory. So spicy is for food that has chili or pepper in it. It has that, hot feeling in your mouth.
Like curry or certain Mexican dishes.
Yep. Sweet is the taste of sugar. So desserts, candy, fruit.
Easy enough.
And savory can be a little tricky. It basically means not sweet. It's the taste you find in meat, cheese, bread, vegetables.
The main course flavors usually. Salty, rich, earthy.
That's a great way to put it. Main course flavors. So you can use these to explain your preferences. For example, I like spicy food, but my friend prefers only sweet desserts.
That sentence shows a really good contrast and understanding of the words.
It does. So now we want you, the listener, to try.
Your turn to make a sentence.
We're going to give you a structure. I want you to either write it down or say it out loud. Ready?
The structure is, my favorite food is your favorite food because it is an adjective.
Let's repeat that. My favorite food is food because it is adjective.
So for me, I might say, my favorite food is pizza because it is savory and delicious.
Perfect. We'll give you a few seconds of silence to think and make your own sentence. Go for it.
Take your time.
Awesome. I hope you came up with a great sentence. Practice is so important.
It's the only way to get better.
Okay, we're doing great. We've learned how to ask, how to answer, and how to explain why.
That's a lot already.
It is. Now let's add a few cultural tips. Some phrases that native speakers use all the time.
The little details that make a big difference.
For sure. Tip number one is how to express a really strong, immediate desire for a food. The word we use is craving.
Craving. I'm craving something.
Yes, it means you want it right now. It's a very strong feeling. You can't stop thinking about it.
It's more than just being hungry. It's a specific, powerful want.
Exactly. Here's a little dialogue. Imagine person A says, I didn't eat lunch.
And I, person B, would say, oh no, what are you craving right now?
Perfect. It's the natural question to ask. What specific food do you want right now?
It's a great word to add to your vocabulary.
Definitely. Okay, tip number two. This is about suggesting a meal in a very casual, friendly way.
How to invite someone to eat.
Yes, but informally. The phrase is, let's grab a bite.
Let's grab a bite. I use this all the time.
Me too. It just means let's get something to eat. It's usually for a quick, simple meal, not a big fancy dinner.
Right, like for lunch or a quick dinner with a friend.
Exactly. Let's have everyone practice this one. Repeat after us.
Right.
Let's grab a bite for dinner tonight.
Your turn.
And again, let's grab a bite for dinner tonight.
It's so friendly and natural.
It really is. Okay, and our last tip is about how to offer food politely.
Very important for when you have guests.
Very. The two best phrases are, would you like some? Or how about,
So for example, would you like some cake?
or how about some tea?
Both are very polite and welcoming.
They are so much better than just saying want cake.
It just sounds a little softer and more polite.
Exactly. Okay. Wow. We have covered so much.
We really have.
I think to pull it all together, we should do a little review dialogue.
A great idea. We can model a short conversation using some of the phrases we learned today.
Perfect. I'll start. So, what kind of food do you like?
That's a tough question. I like a lot of things, but I guess I'm a big fan of Thai food.
Oh, nice. I enjoy Thai food too. Have you tried that new Thai restaurant on Main Street?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
It's fantastic. The pad Thai is so tasty. I love it because it's the perfect mix of sweet and savory.
Ooh, now you're making me hungry. I think I'm craving some pad Thai right now.
Me too. You know what? We should go sometime.
I love that. Let's grab a bite there next week.
It's a plan.
See, that conversation used so many of the things we talked about.
It really did. It had asking, using favorite or big fan of, using adjectives, craving, and suggesting a meal.
It shows how you can combine them all to have a really natural sounding chat about food.
And that's the goal. For you to be able to do that confidently.
Absolutely.
Well, that is just about all the time we have for today.
Wow, that really flew by.
It did. A huge thank you to everyone for joining our lesson today and reviewing how to talk about the food you like.
We hope it was really helpful.
And we have a little homework for you. We want you to practice right now.
Yes, don't wait.
Go to the comments section and tell us, what is your favorite food? Try to use a full sentence and an adjective, just like we practiced.
We would absolutely love to read your answers.
We really would. And remember, the key to learning any language is practice.
A little bit every day makes a huge difference.
So please try to listen to English and speak English every single day, even for just a few minutes.
Consistency is everything. Just keep going. And don't give up. You're doing great.
You really are. And one last thing, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel.
And share it with anyone you think might find it useful.
It helps us so much and lets us keep making these for you. We will be back very soon with more useful episodes.
Can't wait.
So until then, goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. And take care.
Goodbye.